Today I'm going to reseal the deck here adjacent to this bunkhouse. I built this deck maybe 3 years ago, and it was originally sealed at that time and looked fantastic. But over the past 2 or 3 years, it's really started to look gray and kind of brown and faded out and frankly kind of ugly. So today I'm going to sand the deck first and then put a new translucent sealer on to hopefully restore this deck back to its original beauty. So stay tuned. I'm going to use this Orbital Sander from Rockwell. Actually, Rockwell gave it to me about 3 or 4 years ago to test drive it and do a review on it, which I did. And I have to say, it did a fantastic job on some of the projects I worked on for that review. And I'm going to use it again on this project to hopefully make this deck look brand new again. So as you can see, the deck looks a lot lighter now. I would say I was fortunate I had screwed the planks to the floor joists, so I had no types of issues with the sander hitting any raised surface nails, or in this case screws, because I had countersunk the screws in a little bit. So anyways, looks real good compared to what it was. I'm looking forward to trying out that stain. So I'm using a Benjamin Moore Arborcoat premium exterior sealer. It's a classic oil finish. Again, it's translucent, so it really allowed the wood to shine through the sealer. And I'm using a 3-inch nylon brush to apply the sealer. So I'm starting near the bunkhouse so I can work my way out. Oh yes. And you can see the beautiful color coming through with this sealer put on. I'm going to do 2 rows at a time. Okay, that about wraps up this project. The deck is sealed. Looks great. 24 hours or so from now, I should be able to walk on it. It'll be dry enough to walk on. Just to reiterate, you want to make sure you sand the deck well. Before you sand it, I would check to make sure you don't have any raised nails or screws. Countersink those in so that you don't damage your sander. Second of all, make sure you sweep the deck very well before actually applying the sealer. And then thirdly, when you do apply the sealer, make sure you don't apply too thick of a coat, or else you'll run into that problem, as I said, with the deck peeling in very short order. Hopefully this video helped. If so, make sure to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you get notified on my next home improvement video.